As a teacher, OneNote enables the creation of class notebooks. You can use this to sync with Canvas, to complete collaborative projects, share your notes, and more. To start, open your browser of choice and navigate to onenote.com/classnotebook and sign in. Click on the blue button that says Create a Class Notebook and follow the on-screen instructions. If you have your class roster, you can add students now, and if you do not have your class roster, you can add students later by returning to the same website, clicking on the purple Add or Remove Students button, and following the on-screen instructions. Once you click Create, you're done. Click the Open in OneNote link under the heading. Do not click Download the Class Notebook add-in, as it is already installed. You can now begin to curate your class notebook. Important things to note: notes sync live and automatically. Any changes made to any page will be updated in near real time on all devices that you are viewing. You can set specific pages to be viewable, editable, or neither by all students. Teachers have complete access to all pages. Now, you are ready to start sharing your class notes with students and fellow teachers. If you want to learn more about OneNote, subscribe to Lynden Tech Tips and click on a new video to keep watching.